Okay, good morning. Today we will learn some more problems, how to solve them in Indian number system. Okay, in the earlier class, if you have attended, you have seen I have described two number systems, Indian and international number system. So we are still in Indian number system and in exercise 1C, that's what we are going to solve today. In exercise 1C, we will solve numbers in Indian number system. So question number 1, they have given us four numbers, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four numbers are there. We have to write these numbers in words. But as you remember, I had mentioned that you have to do mental calculation by making like this kind of table. We have groups of ones, thousand, lakh and crores. Alright, so in ones we have ones, tens, hundred. In thousands group we have thousand, 10,000. In lakhs group we have lakh, 10 lakh. In crores group we have crore and 10 crore. And you can see over here, commas are given after every group. See, after ones group there is a comma. After thousands group there is a comma. After lakhs group there would be another, but there is no other digit. Similarly here also you can see in ones group, after ones group, 3 digits, ones, tens, hundred, and there is a comma. Then in thousands group, after 1000, 10,000 there is a comma. Lakhs group, lakh, 10 lakh there is a comma. Similarly here also. Alright, so now what we will do, we will write these numbers in this table. Okay, this table, actually the calculation should have been done in your mind, but I am showing it to you. Okay, so first number is this is, okay, I will have to pronounce the number first. First of all, we will start from the ones group. In the ones group, what do you have? 8. So let me write 8. Tens group there is 0. Hundreds group there is 8 again. Thousands group you have 0. 10,000 group again 0. Lakhs group you have 8. 10 lakhs group you have 1. Alright. Coming to the next number. In the ones group you have 8. Tens group you have 4. Hundreds group you have 7. Thousands group you have 6. 10,000 group you have 3. Lakhs group you have 2. 10 lakhs group you have 1. Coming to the next number again, this third number. Ones group there is 7. Tens group and hundreds group you have 0. Thousands group you have 9. 10,000 group you have 0. Lakhs group 0. 10 lakhs group you have 3. Crore, now there is one extra group, crores group you have 8. The last number, ones group you have 4. Tens group and hundreds group you have 0. Thousands group also 0. 10,000, lakh and 10 lakhs group you have 0. Lakhs and 10 lakhs you have 0. Crores group you have 0. And in 10 crores group you have 1. Alright, so these are the numbers in periods. Now let us write in words. First one. Now you need not write this one in your copy, this particular table. This is only for your understanding. Okay, I am making this table for you to understand. You can directly write in words. So in the first number, what will it be? See, it starts from lakhs group. So 18 lakh, nothing is there in thousands group, 0 digits are there in thousands group. So 18 lakh 808. This is how we will pronounce this number and write it in words. In lakhs group you have 18. So I am going to write 18. 808. 18 lakh 808. Next number in the lakhs group we have 12. So 12 lakh, 12 lakh. Thousands group we have 36. So 36,000. $748. Okay, 12 lakh 36,748. Okay, let's come to the third number now. In the third number we have crore. In the crores group we have 8. So 8 crore. Lakhs group we have 30. Lakh. Thousands group, what do you have? 0, 9, that means only 9. 9,000. And coming to ones group, we have 007. It means only 7. 9,007. So this is the number in words. 8 crores, 30 lakhs, 9,007. Last one. This in crores group we have 10. So 10 crores. 10 crores. Lakhs group 0 digits are there, so we will not try anything in lakh. Coming to thousands group we have 30. 30. 30,000. Ones group you have 0, 4. Only 4. 30,000, 4. That's it. 10 crores, 30,000, 4. Okay, the next question is opposite of the first question. Okay, first question you had the number and you had to write it in words. Now here you have the words or the sentence, you have to read the sentence and make the number. So I have again constructed this table. For understanding purpose, I have constructed this table. And the first number I have written here for us, it says here 6 lakh. So in lakhs group we have 6. So in lakhs group 6. 6 is in lakhs house, not in 10 lakhs house. So 6 lakh. Then next is 3,000. So that means in 10,000 house nothing will be there. 3,000 is 3 will be in thousands house. Okay, had it been in 10,000 house, it would have been written 30,000, but it's not 30,000, it's 3,000. So 3 is in thousands house. 785. This is simple to understand. So the first number is, okay, if you write in numeral will number. First number for us will be 6 lakh. 3,785. Now commas we have to give. After lakh there will be a comma. After thousands group there will be a comma. So this is how the number is. Next, let us write the next number. What does it say? 80 lakh. So in lakhs house you have 80. So let's write 80. 80 lakh 15,000. In thousands house we have 15. Then what else? 205. Okay. In one's house we have 205. So when you write it in numeral, it will be 80 lakh. And there will be a comma after lakh. Then comes 1000, 15,000. So after 15 again comma, 205. Alright. Third number, 30 crore. Now you have crore. In crore book you have 30. So let's write 30 under crore. This 3 will be under 10 crore. And 0 will be there in crores house. 30. In crores house, 30 will be there. Then 7 lakh. That means 07. Alright, 7 lakh, not 70 lakh, 7 lakh. So lakh, under lakh's house 7 will be there. Under 10 lakh, 0 will be there. 9,000, again, in 10,000's house 0 and in 1,000's house you will have 9. 9,402. 402. Now let's write it in numerals. So you will have 30 crore after crore, comma 7 lakh. After lakh also there will be a comma. 9,000. After 9,000 there will be a comma. 402. Alright. Now this fourth part and fifth part I am giving it to you as your homework. You will do it as your homework. Complete it. Third question. Here you have been given, you have been asked, state the place value of, like in the first question, 8 in 287. Now what's place value? Place value is the value of a number in its respective place. I'll tell you. Like for example here, 8. Where is 8 in this number? 8 is here. What is the position of 8 in this number? This is 1's position, this is 10's position. That means 8 is in 10's position. So 8 is in 10's position. So its value will be 8 tens are 80. So the place value of 8 is 80. Whichever position it is in, you have to multiply that number with that particular position. So 8 is in 10's position, so I am multiplying 8 with 10. Similarly here, 7's place value they have asked in this particular number. So now 7 is in which position? Count. 1's, 10's, 100, 1000. 7 is in 1000's position. So 7 multiplied by 1000 is 7000. So place value of 7 in this particular number is 7000. I hope you understand. 0. Next number, they have asked the place value of 0 in this particular number. Okay. So 0 will be multiplied by, now let's count in which place is 0. 1's, 10's, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In 10 lakh, how many zeros will be there? In 10 lakhs position write 1 and how many digits are there after that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But 0 multiplied by anything is 0, no? So what is the place value of 0? Is 0 only. Now keep this in mind. 0 in whichever place it is, doesn't matter. Its place value will always be 0. Whether it is in 10 lakhs place, whether it is in thousands place or it's in 1's place. When you multiply that position with 0, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So place value of 0 is 0, no matter in whichever place it is. Alright, the fourth part is your homework. Okay, try it. Fourth part is your homework. Okay, let's do the fifth part. As I said, fourth part is your homework so that you will know. In the fifth part, I have asked the place value of 3. Where is 3? 3 is here. Now which position is 3? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. What's the position of 3? It's crore. Alright, so 3 into crore. Now in crore, how many zeros will be there? Okay, in crore, how many zeros? After 3, you count how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 zeros. Okay, after 3, how many digits will be there? That many zeros. Okay, so 3 multiplied by crore is 3 crore. So 3 ones are 3, and how many zeros are there? That many zeros you write again. 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So place value of 3 is 3 crore. Okay, so this question is over. Coming to the fourth question, this is also related with place value. Okay, I am coming to the first part. In the first part, they have asked us to find the difference between place value of 6. Now you see in this particular number, 6 is there in two places. 6 is here as well as here. So here what is the place value of 6 and here what is the place value of 6? You have to find their difference. Difference means from the bigger value minus smaller value. So place values of 6 are, okay, there are two place values because 6 is there in two places. So in the first, 6 is there in which place? Let us calculate. So 6 is there in ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs place. So lakhs place we have 5 zeros. Okay, after lakh we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's the place value of 6 in this position? Is 6 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is the place value of 6 in this position? What is this position? This position is tens position. So 6 into 10 is 60. Therefore we have to find their difference. See, they have asked find the difference. So the difference between the place values of 6 is, let us find now. Place value of 6 in this particular position was 6 lakh. Place value of 6 in this particular position was 60. So we have to do minus. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Here borrowing, so 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. This becomes 9. This becomes 9. This becomes 9 and 6 had given, so it will become 5. Okay, so this is our answer. The difference between the place value of 6, two positions 6 was there, so difference between the place value of 6 is this. Okay, you can write it 5,99,940. Okay, coming to the second one. If you haven't understood this, try looking at this one and you will understand. Here 3 is there, and in this number see how many places 3 is there. 3 is here, 3 is here. So in these two positions we have to find the place values of 3. Okay, so place values of 3 are, okay, so two positions in two places 3 is there. So we have two place values. So 3 in this position. What's this position? Let's count. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So write 1 and after crore how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So 3 ones are 3 and 7 zeros. So place value of 3 in this position is this 3 crores. Next, again 3 is here in this position. So what is the place value of 3 in this position? 1, 10, 100,000. So 3 into 1000 is 3000. So we got the place values of 3 in two different positions. Now we have to find the difference between this place value and this place value. Okay, so the difference between the place values of 3, difference means minus from the bigger minus smaller. So the bigger value is 3 crore. Let's do this subtraction. Okay, here is 0. So borrowing procedure will be there. So from 3 the borrowing procedure starts. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. This becomes 9. This becomes 9. This becomes 9. 3 becomes 2. So this is our answer. The difference between the place values of this and this is 2 crores 99 lakhs 97,000. Okay. So you have similarly part 3 and part 4. This is your homework. Look at the video again if you haven't understood, and then you try doing part 3 and part 4. Okay, coming to the next question. It says express the following numbers in expanded form. You have done this in class 4 as well as in class 5. Alright. If not in class 4, surely in class 5. So now how do we do this? Now here also we need the concept of place value. Okay, place value concept you need here. Starting from the extreme left side. In the extreme left side we have 5. And in which place is 5? Ones, tens, 100. So we will multiply 5 with 100. After that we give a plus sign. And what's the next number? 2. In which position is 2? 2 is in tens position. So 2 into 10. Again you will give a plus sign. Then you have 3. 3 is in ones position. So 3 into 1. This is how we write the number in expanded form with their place values. 5 is in 100, so 5 into 100. 2 is in tens place, so 2 into 10. 3 is in ones place, so 3 into 1. Okay, next number. Again we start from the extreme left side. 6. In which position is 6? 6 is in ones, tens, 100, thousands position. So 6 into 1000. Then you have plus sign. Then next number is 3. 3 is in which position? 3 is in hundreds position. So 3 into 100. Then after each place value give plus. After 6 place value you have written, you give a plus sign. After 3 place value you have written, give a plus sign. Next number is 4. 4 is in tens. Tens house, so 4 into 10. Then again plus sign. 8 is in ones house, so 8 into 1. So this is the number 6348 in expanded form. Next number We start from the extreme left side. In the extreme left side, you have 9. Which position is 9 in? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 9 is in lakhs position. In lakh, you have 5 zeros. I have told you, no, after lakh, you count how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So 9 is in lakhs position. So 9's place value you have written, give plus sign. Then comes 5. 5 is in 10,000's position. So in 10,000 you have 1 less 0. So 4 zeros. Next comes 0. Okay, let's write for 0. 0 is in thousands position. 0 into 1000 is 0 only. So in some books, if they don't write zeros place value, just they ignore it and go to the next number. But I have written over here for 0 also. So next number is 8. So after zeros place value, give a plus sign. Then write 8. Which place is 8 in? Ones, tens, 100. So 8 is in hundreds position. Then comes 4. 4 is in tens position. Then comes 2, 2 is in ones position. Alright. The last number. This is in crores, okay? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 8 is in crores house. So 8 into crore. Now how many zeros are there in crore? So after crore count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros will be there. Alright. After 8 comes 2. 2 is in which position? 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. After after crore comes 10 lakh. So 1 less 0 will be there. Here 7 zeros. So here 6 zeros will be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros were here in crore. So here 1 less 0 will be there. 6 zeros. Next number is 6. 6 is in which position? Lakhs position. Count 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 6 is in lakhs position. So 1 lesser 0. Here 6 zeros were there. Here 5 zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that you have 0. So this time I am going to ignore 0. Okay. This time I will ignore 0. Coming to the next number. 5. 5 is in thousands position. Plus 9 is there. 9 is in hundreds position. 4 is there. 4 is in tens position. 3 is there next. It's in ones position. This is how you write the numbers in expanded form. Okay, the sixth question is opposite of 5. In 5 you had written the numbers in expanded form. Here the expanded form is given. You have to write it in number. Okay, we'll start with the right side. Okay, 6 is in ones position. So 6, you can write. 1 is in tens position. So in tens position you have 1. 8 is in hundreds position. Okay, after 100 there is a comma. Then comes 7. 7 is in thousands position. So here will be 7. 5 is in 10,000's position. In 10,000 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. So 5 is in 10,000's position. So what is our number? This is our number. 57,816. Okay, coming to the next. Here also expanded form. We'll start with the extreme right side. In the right side you have 8 in one's house. So 8 is in one's house. 2 is there in tens house. So 2 will write in tens house. 6 is there in hundreds house. After that we'll have a comma. Then comes 0. 0 is there in thousands house. 0 will be there in thousands house. This is what? 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. So 9 is there in 10,000's house. So in 10,000's house 9 will be there. See, now here you have to do mental calculation without drawing the table. Okay, in the earlier questions I have drawn the table for you. Now I am not drawing. By now you should be used to it in your mind. Mental calculation you have to do. So we did till 9. Last number is 7. In which house is 7? Let's count. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 7 is in lakhs house. You know, after 1000 there will be a comma, then lakh. And in lakhs house you have 7. So this is our number. 7,90,628. This is written by same expanded form. This is the number form. Okay, now here it looks a bit different than the first and second part. So we will write this one in this form first. Alright. Coming here, 7 is in hundreds house. 7 is in ones house. Then you have 100. 100. But before that 100, do you see any tens number given? A number in tens? So no number is there in tens. So 0. 0 is in tens house. I am doing reverse, so I am finding it a bit awkward. Okay, now comes 100. 100 can be written as 1 into 100. Or you can say 1 is in hundreds place. Then comes 1000. And in thousands value you have 2000. 2000 can be written as 2 into 1000. That means 2 is there in thousands house. Plus. Then comes 40,000. 40,000 can be written as 4 into 10,000. That means 4 is there in 10,000 house. After that lakh comes. Remember in that group, after 10,000 comes lakh. But you don't have any number in lakh. So you write it 0 into 1 lakh. 1 0 extra than this. Then comes 60. 60 lakh can be written as 6 into 10 lakh. 1 0 more than this. From this 1 0 extra. So now you have 6 is there in 10 lakhs house. So many zeros. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here also 6 zeros. Then comes in lakhs house, nothing is there, so I put 0. 0 is there in lakhs house. 4 is there in 10,000 house. 2 is there in thousands house. 1 is there in hundreds house. 0 is there in tens house. There is no tens number mentioned here, so 0 is there in tens house. 7 is there in ones house. Now what will be the number? That is right. 6 is there in 10 lakh. 0 is there in lakhs house. After lakh group you have a comma. 4 is there in 10,000 house. So 4. 2 is there in thousands house. So after thousands house comma. 1 is there in hundreds house. 0 is there in tens house. 7 is there in ones house. So this is our number obtained from the expanded form. Question number 7, that is this question. I am giving it to you as homework. What does it say here? They are asking us to compare two numbers and give greater than sign or less than sign. There is a box over there, and in between the two numbers, that box you have to give greater than sign or less than sign. By now you know how to compare numbers. So I am sure you can do this particular question. Question number 7. And once again I am saying question 7 is your homework. Okay, now we will do question number 8. When you know how to compare numbers, you will always be able to arrange them. Now here they have asked us to arrange them from the largest to the smallest. That means descending order. Okay, so that we will do now. Okay, coming to the next question. The next question is rearrange the numbers in each part from the largest to the smallest. From largest to smallest, you have to arrange them. Descending order. So these are the numbers here. All the four numbers are in 17, 17, 17, 17. In thousands group we have 17. 17,800, 17,903, 17,300, 17,400. So one thing is common, that in the thousands house 17 is there. So out of these numbers, which is the biggest? 800, 900, 300, 400. 900 is the biggest. So from the largest number is 17,903. Next number, smaller than 900, immediate smaller number than 900 is this, 17,800. 17,800. After that we have 300 and 400. So immediate next number smaller than 17,800 is 17,400. And the smallest number out of these four numbers is 17,308. So this is the arrangement from the largest to the smallest. Second number. Here the numbers are in lakhs. 5 lakh, 5 lakh, 7 lakh, 9 lakh. Alright, if you count 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Here also 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Lakh, lakh. So which is the biggest? Obviously 9 lakh is the biggest number. So that you will write first. 9 lakh, 7,652. Among all the four numbers here in second part, this number is the biggest. Immediate next number will be what? The immediate next smaller number than 9 lakh 7,000 is, see here, 5 lakh 7,000. So 7,000 is the immediate smaller number. So 7 lakh 95,072. Okay, so we have 9 lakh, then we have 7 lakh. Now we have left with these two numbers, 5 lakh 90,000, 5 lakh 9,000. Okay, 5 lakh is common. Now in the thousands group we have in one number 90,000 and in the other number 9,000. So which is the bigger number out of 90 and 9? Obviously 90. So 90, 5,90,672 will come the next number. 5,90,672. And the smallest number out of these four is this, 5,09,762. Alright. The last number. Now let's check the valuation of these numbers. 1 cents, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This is 60 lakh. 1 cents, 100,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 1 cents, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 60 lakh, 89 lakh. What about this? 1 cents, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. 9 crore. 1 cents, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is also 9 crore. So these two numbers are in lakhs. These two numbers are in crores. So obviously crore is bigger than lakh. So the biggest number we have to choose is between these two numbers. This is 9 crore 13. This is 9 crore 31. Okay, all the other numbers are 0. Lakhs house 0, thousands house 0. So the valuation you have to do based on the numbers in one's group. In one's group here is 30, in one's group here is 31. So 31 is greater than 30. So in that case, 9 crore 31 is the greatest number. So let us write that 9 crore. This will come first, because this is the biggest among all the four numbers given here. Then the next number will be this 9 crore 13. Okay, so we have finished with these two numbers. Now let us compare these two numbers. As I said, both the numbers are in lakhs. This is 60 lakh, this is 89 lakh. So 89 is obviously more than 60. So 89 lakh 79,561 will be the next immediate number. And the last number will be the smallest number, that is this 60 lakh 9,320. Alright, so we have completed this particular problem also.